Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review on Ownr. Now Ownr gives you the easy way to start your business. You can launch your business online in minutes. Join a lot of entrepreneurs who started with Ownr, so you can get started and save about $200 instantly. So many good things you can get from here. So you get the right price all in one platform, helping support, save time and money, Ownr perks membership, top quality legal documents. So you can start something great today. They have about two plans. So we have a sole proprietorship plan and a corporation plan. Chosen by about 210,000 plus businesses. It is the easiest and safest way to incorporate your company. It's a one-stop shop for you to manage and track all legal documents. Support is always super responsive. It's safer than incorporating yourself and cheaper than incorporating through a legal firm. It's entirely recommended to all startups. This is by Lau from Rentify Technology International. So many great things about Ownr. You can get started by clicking on get started right here.